The forex market never sleeps, and neither do I. So let's see what today's charts have to show us. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nick, and I'm a top podder on TradingView with over 260k reputation points. And every day I share a lot of free education and analysis for all of you. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about USDCAD. Now, why do I want to speak about USDCAD? Because at the moment, we do have quite interesting price action and structure. So what I will be doing is, as usual, providing a complete multi-time frame top-down analysis, starting from the higher time frames, going down then on the lower time frames. We will also check what we have from a COT perspective. So commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds and the non-commercials in the market are doing. And by the end of the video, by using a combination of these different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on the pair. Now, starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that we had a very strong impulse to the downside, followed by this correction. Now, in general, when you have an impulse and you have one candle which is not related to that impulse, like for example, in this case, this green candle here, that green candle is a strong level of structure, in this case, supply, because when the market touched this level, the market clearly reacted to that zone. We then had the break back below, and then the market went for the retest of this previous support and resistance and strong supply. And obviously the market from there started the rejection to the downside, which is what you expect in this specific situation. So here in the monthly, we are rejecting strong resistance and we can expect more continuation to the downside. We drop down on the weekly time frame, and what do we see now? Here in the weekly, we can see how the market has just created this overextended M pattern. Now, in general, after the creation of an overextended M pattern, you want to see the market create a move to the upside to go and complete the pattern itself at the previous support turned resistance. So here in the weekly time frame, we definitely do expect this market to create a nice move to the upside to go and complete the pattern at this previous support turned resistance. Just a quick thing, make sure that you like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below any suggestion for new videos. Going down on the daily time frame, what do we have? Now here in the daily, we can see that in all this impulse to the downside, as we have already seen on the monthly, this is a very similar pattern. We have one candle which is not related to the move, which is this green candle here, similar to what we have seen on the monthly time frame. So basically, this supply zone should act as a magnet for the market to go and create a correction to this zone. And combined with the fact that we do have an M pattern on the weekly time frame, there is definitely the possibility to be looking for the market to go and test this level. Now, if we go and see what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds and the non-commercials, so the biggest speculators in the market, are doing, we can see how lately net positions have been dropping. We went from having a positive 45k net positioning with 68k shorts and only 22.5k shorts, all the way down to having a massively negative net positioning with minus 26k net positions and 3.3k shorts added with the last report and 3.2k longs getting closed, bringing this at 45k shorts and 18k longs, making the CAD quite weak, which means that USDCAD could easily create this rejection to the upside and complete the weekly M pattern and test this daily supply. So how we will be approaching this potential short-term longing opportunity here with students? Now, as usual, we will be reactive and not productive. The monthly, weekly, and daily combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the 4-hour and the other intraday time frames. So with students, we will be monitoring price action from an intraday perspective during this move to the downside, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we have right now to an intraday bullish market. And only if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to an intraday bullish market, only at that point we will be adding USDCAD to our watch list. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to go and potentially test this supply zone to find some liquidity at this area. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis education and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. You first get all the rules of my rule-based strategies, then you get a new daily market breakdown every single day showing you how to apply these strategies in real-time market, and you also get all your questions answered every single day in the daily Q&A session. So it's a very complete program. I suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description, and I will see you in it.